Hey, how are you? Topher here of Nice Watch Pare. I'm here to show you how to clean a watch. We'll do a little bit of detailing. First things first. Toothpick, Q-tips, aka cotton buds, an old toothbrush. Luma to, mukha ng bago, di pa siya rarely used. Dish of water and soap. So we don't need the spring bar remover because this strap that I put here is meron na siyang quick release and cloth microfiber, and we're good to go. Let's remove the strap, the silicone strap, because this is just new, so we don't need to. Though you can also clean it. So this is a Seiko 5. It's called the Proto or Protos. I am not sure. Some people say Proto, some people say Proto. So I think it's prototype. So we also have to remove the bezel kasi medyo madumi yan eh. It's dirty. Madumi is dirty. I'll just use this kasi it's easy. There's no as you can see, there's no rubber gasket here. I don't know, I bought it secondhand. So let's put it there. We build up na yung dumi. Yung skin, old dead skin, dirt, grime, and whatnot. And let's remove the click spring. Let's brush it now. We're just gonna use dish soap. Brush it, baby. Brush it. Okay. Scrub, scrub, wishy-washy. Ligo. Ligo means shower. Take a bath in Filipino. Okay. We're not. Make sure well, this is water resistant to 100 meters. Well, technically, hindi siya talaga 100 meters sa abot. That's for a different video for water resistance. But here, it's good. It's good for hand washing, submerging. But again, as you can see, I think the crystal here, the glass, is aftermarket. So it's been replaced by, I think, the previous owner. Siguro nasira, nabasag, got broken, and then he decided to replace it. So maybe we're not sure with the water resistance. So I'm not gonna submerge it. I'm just gonna scrub it. Scrub. You can see the bubbles. The suds are getting a bit dark. Let's do the lugs. I mean this part, because this part gets grimy. Of course, all parts naman, all crevices and cracks. So let's kus. Like scrub. Some people, they use Kirin water. I have yet to try it, pero I want to try it sometime. I have a Kirin water here. My wife bought me some. Let's see if it's better than your good old what do you call this? Soap and water. Let's punas. Let's wipe it off. Ooh, okay. Looks clean. Looks cleaner than before. A toothpick, maybe to get through the cracks, to the crevices. A little, maybe dip it here with soapy solution. Scrub all you want, all day long, baby. If you like this video, give it a like. If you know someone who's into watches, share it with them. So let's use some Q-tip. Just need some elbow grease, some love to keep your watches clean and looking brand new. Of course, normal ang gas or scratches are normal. It's part of wear and tear. They say it gives well, I believe also they say it gives the watch some personality compared to the brand new watch where it's pretty flawless, diba? If you haven't subbed, give it a sub. Click somewhere here. Click the bell icon. You know the drill. Nice watch, pare. Also on IG. And I think we're almost done. I think I can show this to you. So a little elbow grease, soap and water, basic brush. Still some dirt stuck. Yeah, we can just detail it later. Yeah, it's not so grimy anymore. Oh, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Stay safe. Ingat.